Hey guys, it's Rachel here with WTI, and this is my absolute favorite face scrub. This is by Kopari. I love this company and I love how it makes my skin feel. This is a great scrub. They use amazing ingredients and the smell is so fresh and light. If you have any type of like fragrance sensitivity, this is so nice. It's very natural smelling and I love it. I really like using this.
Kopari uses clean, natural ingredients, nothing harmful. And not only when I finish using the scrub does my skin feel softer, but it also feels a lot more moisturized. I've never used a scrub like this. I really recommend it. I also like using it as a lip scrub as well.
I'll use it about 2 to 3 times a week. And I like that it doesn't leave my face dry. It's not too abrasive. It just works really well. If you're looking for a facial scrub, you will not be disappointed if you try this one by Kopari. I love it. It's California Glow Enzyme Scrub. It is super. My favorite scrub ever. I love it. And that's my point of view.